Hi there! I want to drop a quick little video in between my regular uploads because yesterday the coolest thing has happened and I really want to share this with you guys. If you saw my latest video, you already saw the story of how my channel got featured on the amazing TV show Right This Minute. In this video, I made a drawing of all the hosts of this channel as a thank you for the amazing job they did. And yesterday, this happened.
Now you guys might remember, not that long ago, I introduced you to the brand new YouTube channel, Smully Art. Essentially what it was is where this dad, who's a very talented illustrator, would take his son's sort of sketches and turn them into amazing pieces of art. Well, that's what's going on again in this particular video. See if you can spot what's coming together as he's slowly bringing this face into shape right there. Nice bubbly smile, some crazy hair right there. And moves on to this next one. It's a bit of a mutant, this guy.
Bigger eyebrows, bigger eyebrows.
I had some interesting artwork done of me, so I like this.
Well, you can see that's exactly what's going on here. You see, they actually saw the piece that we did on them on the show. They were blown away, and he actually did a very special video talking about it. Actually showed everyone on his channel that particular piece we did as well. And as a thank you, as you can see, he has decided to immortalize us in an art piece as well. There's Gail's hair looking pretty fly. And then he starts getting to work on this ridiculously handsome fellow in glasses, and let's not forget Jan Vera and all of her gorgeous hair right there. Once he's done, make sure to sign his name. You get a little finale right here where we can see the line drawing.
Oh, that is
but not done
cool.
yet, because as we know, he also likes to add a pop of color. Wait for it. Hey!
Nice, fantastic, it looks really cool.
Always interesting to see us through an artist's eye.
Yeah.
You know, it's kind of neat.
Smully Art, we really do enjoy what they're putting out. They got just over 100 subscribers, so if you like what you're seeing in this video, drop them a subscribe and enjoy. Thanks a lot, man. We really appreciate it.
Very nice.
I want to thank everybody at Right This Minute. You guys did such an amazing job. I love the way I was featured on your channel twice. This was for sure an unforgettable experience for me. Thank you so much. You guys are the best. And to all of you who are watching this video, I hope you like the content of this channel. If you do, hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the bell to be notified when we put up new videos. Normally it's every Friday, this one is a little extra video. Upcoming Friday there will be a brand new video with a brand new drawing. I hope to see you then. Bye!